In this question, we are asked to identify which method or methods would not be a way to solve x squared minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's take a look at factoring. If we tried to factor this out, we could quickly see that it is not factorable. Our first times first would have to be x times x, and our last times our last would have to be 1. Our signs are the same and they're both negative. I can see that this is going to make x squared minus 2x plus 1. So it is not factorable. Since the question is asking which method would not be a way to solve, we would select factoring because this equation, x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 0, is prime. It is not factorable. We could not use square root. So since the question says which method would not be a way to solve, we want to select square root. We know that we cannot use the square root method because b is equal to negative 8. So when we have that linear term of negative 8x, we cannot isolate x squared and solve by square root. We can use completing the square on any quadratic equation. This one, it's actually a really good choice since our a is equal to 1 and b is even. So completing the square is a method that would work. Quadratic formula can also be used to solve any quadratic equation. So it is a method that would work, so we don't want to select it for this problem since we are asked which method or methods would not be a way to solve.